is our model HD250 CNC.
Hello, welcome to Source UK. My name's Alan
As you
Fisher.
can
This
see
is
here,
our
the
Alligator
is mitral
PP501.
It's two wheels in one. Mitre for fabrication.
I'll start with
as well as
the main
straight
features.
the likes of CNC.
Here we have the adaptive down feed mechanism. All you load on the blade head round like this, and then go back to zero, locking it there. Wider material.
You've got straight automatic cuts.
And you get to the web in the middle of the machine.
Right, we have a 3 horsepower motor here, which is driven by a frequency inverter to give you a big range of blade speeds.
The limit switch
That
controls how far the machine goes up.
So if you've got a small piece, you can just set the switch
Down here we have carbide tips,
above the
which
job.
guide the blade nice and straight.
Here we have
Behind
the
the bar
carbide
steel
tip
rollers that
blade
roll the
guide,
blade straight before it goes to the
which
carbides.
guides the blade
Things, of course.
smoothly through the work.
These are the bundle clamps
and the ball bearings
for multiple cutting,
straighten the
which
blade
is
out
back
before it
material
goes
up.
through the guide here.
They can be removed
Down
by
this end,
means
under
of
this
the
guard,
main fittings
Use a
down
wire
here.
brush, a rotary wire brush to help clean the fork away.
Right, on this side of the machine you can see there is a
Here we
device
have the
here
hydraulic
for setting the
device.
height above the work. So
And
just
here
below the work,
we
so
have a
you
lever
can't
which
cut
operates in
it.
eccentric rollers. This helps traverse work through the machine without it rubbing on the
This
paper.
is a removable tray on, so you can empty that and when. But this is relative because when the machine hits the work,
there's
more than the velvet, the back
coolant
I
I
showed
showed
you
you
earlier,
earlier,
flush
flush
with
with
down
down
people
people
away
while
from
the
tape
tape
over,
and the machine
and
may
may
well
well
slow
slow
down
down
as
as
it
it
hits heavy
This
material.
is supplied from down here. Here we have the control panel where we have a removable. This is the blade tank for easy. You might run say 30 metres a minute,
And
stainless steel,
And
to about 80 metres a minute for mild steel structural steel. Here we have the on hydraulics. Here we have the blade tension, the blade.
You just do this up until it goes
Here we
tight.
have the clamping. That's the hydraulic
Film
hoist
spring
there.
washers under here which collapse when it goes tight. It's the correct tension every
This is the
time.
control to make the machine
Micro
down,
switch
do the
will
job.
switch the machine off should the blade break.
Okay, this is the control panel.
This
Most
controls
important switch,
whether
the emergency
machine
stop switch here.
after the cut
The main isolator for the machine.
to the start position.
This is the down feed control.
Depending on what you're doing.
That is the blade
Now, I'll just
cutting.
go through a little demo.
speed.
I'll start the machine up and show some of these controls.
Down here we have a control switch. This is manual control on this position and automatic control on that position. This is the blade speed. So on top speed here you might be cutting aluminium, on the low speed, tool steels, etc. Here we have the front vice opening and closing, the back vice speed vice opening and closing. This brings the bow down manually and bow up manually.
Recap the material.
This
Start the
switch
machine again.
starts the blade.
This time the
This
machine
switch
will return
makes the vice go in and out, again for setting purposes. And this is the main start switch. This starts up all the hydraulics, etc. Over here we have the computer for all the programming. That's for your length and the number of pieces. And I'll come to that in a minute.
Spring washers.
This is setting up of the machine. You can see the controls here. The main one to use is F3, of course, setting. As you can see, this says Series 01. That will be the first program. There are 30 programs that you can store on the machine. You can run one program after the other if you wish. For instance, you might want to cut a 6 metre length into several different sizes. Therefore, you can run one size, then the next size, then the next size. Or you might just wish to store programs for future use. So you have 30 opportunities to do so. That said, it's very easy to set the lengths and the number of pieces. So storing is a matter of choice, really. So, as you can see, there's an edit sign here. I'm going to press F4, which is the edit button. And I've got on to series number 1. That's the first program. Number of pieces to cut, I can change. For instance, 15 pieces I'm going to cut. Length, at the moment it's saying 35 millimeters. I can change that up to 250, for instance. Then if there's a slight variation in length, maybe the blade's slightly thicker than the next blade, and you can actually put a correction value in there, but usually you don't have to touch that. And then you press escape, and the machine is already set up to do 15 pieces, 250 millimeters long, and all you have to do is escape